Hello. In this video, I will be showing you my thinking process about the scripting. This is not like a tutorial because I tried to record tutorial about this. I recorded like 5 versions of all of them. I'm the worst scripting professor. So this is going to be my thinking process and how I solve these problems, and that's it. Okay. So I will be doing this button, the bind screen, with a final version. So it's going to be a quick screen to see stuff and a final version. Okay, that's it. I will be working. I'm not going to connect it with the UI. It's only going to be for a part. Then I will connect it, but not in the video. Okay. First of all, from Maya import CMDS. Some people like MC. I like CMDS. I know it's longer, but that's the way I learn. That's the way I like. Okay. First of all, I need selection is equal to CMDS SL. Selection is equal to 1. And the geo is going to be the... I'm going to explain that later. Okay. Selection. 0. Okay. I usually do bind the screen with these joints, this geometry. Usually select first the joints, later the geometry. So this is grabbing my selection, and usually the geo is going to be the last one. So maybe I need it, so I have the variable created already. It's not going to be 0, it's going to be -1. So it's the last one, not the first one. Okay. So geo, okay, that's it. Okay. Now I need to do the bind screen. I'm going to do two, so I need to do a function. But first of all, I'm going to do the simple code. cmds dot screen cluster cluster. I'm going to turn the lights on. That's it. Ah, fuck. Sorry. A screen cluster. Okay. I know the skin cluster don't show in this part of the thing. If you see here, nothing show up. Usually when you create something, it appear in this part of the script editor, but the skin cluster don't. So I'm just going to use command documentation to find out what I need to do, because if I don't have this one, I will not know how to create it. Okay. Let's see. Maybe just watching the flags in here quick help. And with this bind the screen. Okay, it's a lot of information. I'm going to just look for bind to. Okay. Let's see. Okay, maybe select the joint. There we go. I need the TSB flag first of all. TSB is equal to true to selected bounds. Later closed distance is going to be for the simple one by method. So let's look aquí, method screen method sm. Okay, this is not what I need, but I do need one. I'm going to use dual quaternion, so sm is going to be 1 comma sm. This is going to be the boring video of all my videos, I think, but a screening method, this one is this one, dual quaternion and bind method. That's why I didn't do it. Method, bind method, there we go. Bind method, closed distance is going to be 0, bm 0, and this one is going to be default, so it works, I think. Let's see, a screen, unbind the screen, grab this, run this, And let's check the attribute editor. Skin cluster with dual quaternion, and it was fast, so it was ready. And this one, there we go. This is the first one. Okay, the first one is done. This is the fast one. Now I need to do I will comment this. So, and now we're going to do the complex one. To selected bonds right, skin method dual quaternion right, but bind method is going to be bind method geodesic voxel number 3. And when I switch from geodesic voxel, the resolution I need it to be 124. So let's find resolution. There's no resolution. What I'm going to do? Bind method again. I don't know how to method. There we go. Bind method. Okay, this is telling me when I use geodesic voxel binding, geom bind command must be called after creating a skin cluster with the method. Okay, so I didn't know that. I need to do the geom bind, and this is going to be, let's call another Internet Explorer because everybody loves Internet Explorer. CMDS geom bind, and this is going to be the geodesic voxel configuration. I didn't know that. I have never scripted anything with this one. Bind method. Let's see. I have no idea how this works. Max influences. I need GVP. GVP is equal to 1024. Let's see. This skin, unbind the skin. I do like the colors of the joints, so but I'm not going to do it. So let's try. Oop, it's not working. GBP expected inter. Okay, let's see. That's an error. Let's see how GBP works. Is there example? GBP Control F, GBP. That's the only one. That's the only one. Yes. Let's see, specify the healthy parameter. This flag is composed of 3 parameters. Maximum box resolution will not be a power of 2. Okay. Okay, I need an integer and then a boolean. So comma and true. So let's see. This is not bind. It's binded screen. Unbind the screen. There we go. There we go. Let's run this. And I need a screen cluster. So this is going to be custom screen is equal to, and this is going to be comma, and let's see if I run this one. Okay, obviously screen, unbind the screen another time. Let's see. There we go. It's computing, and that's the basic code. Now we need to do a function so we can iterate from one to the other, so we don't do the same both at the same time. Okay, it's taking a long time because geodesic voxel is a little bit heavy, but there we go. Okay, now it's working, and I can do this. Okay, I need to do a function. So for creating a function, all of this needs to be tab, and it's going to be def custom. No, let's call this RDM bind skin, whatever. I need two variables. One is going to be final is equal to false. Oh, final this is going to be just final for this part, and dot args. So if they call more arguments, it's covered in here. Okay. So this is how it works. This function is going to be a variable called final. So if final is equal to true, something is going to happen. If final is equal to false, something else is going to happen. Okay, so for defining that, I'm going to do a if statement. If final is equal to true, this is not happening, this is happening if false. So if it's not false, is if it's true, so else, and this has happened. Okay, when I run this, nothing happened. Why? This was already created because I'm not calling the function. So let's see, skin on bind skin, select everything, and nothing happened. Why? Because I need to run the function. So let's see, I need to do this and call final is equal to false. So let's see, oops. So if it's equal to false, it just create a simple thing, and if it's equal to true, it's going to create the heavy one. Let's see, but I'm going to try with 256, so it's slower to process. There we go, it's working. Yeah, that's it. Now I don't always want to call this, I'm not going to do this. So final by default is going to be false, so it's easier. Okay, I'm going to save this in scripts RDM tools version 2, rigging tools, skin, RDM bind skin. There we go, that's it. And I need to do something else. Okay, I also need to do the undo chunks, because I have the code here, because the PyQt thing usually runs this, and when I do Ctrl+C is undo command by command. So the undo info is going to be open in here, that's true, and the closed chunk is going to be in here. So that will be it. I hope you learned something about this boring video, but it's working, so that will be it. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it, and if not, tell me what you want me to do. Okay, so we have the bind skin and the final. I'm going to connect it later, so have a nice day. And again, if you want to try the tool, let me know. But for now, have a nice day, and that will be it. Bye.